To make the paper orchid, you're going to take your centerpiece and you're going to take some paper towel, and it's called chalk pastels, and you're going to add some chalk pastel to the middle section of your centerpiece. You want to make it darker than you think it needs to be, because once you hang it on the wall, it's harder to see. And then you're going to take a marker. I'm using an orange color. You're going to add dots. You're then going to shape your petals. So you're going to take this one and you're going to fold the two centerpieces up and take a pair of scissors and give them a little bit of curl. You're then going to fold down the center and curl those two. It'll look something like that. Then you're going to take your two big petals and stack them one on top of the other. The top of the petal is the section with the long part. So you're going to fold these like that. And so this is how your petals are going to lay. And you're going to take your pair of scissors and curl up. Okay. Make sure your scissors are clean so you don't leave streaks on your paper. And once you get the edges curled a little bit, you're going to fold the middle a little bit. Only fold it about halfway. And then you're going to repeat with this one, except you want the petal to, or the curl to come up this way. Then fold down the middle. And your two big petals are done. Set them aside. Grab the one back piece that is not like the other two, and you're going to curl it up just a little bit. Set it aside. Grab the last two pieces, and you want to make sure they're going to go like this. So curl this one up this way, and curl this one up this way. That way they both curl up when they're symmetrical. Now we're going to glue it together. We're going to take the three back pieces. Sorry if you see a fly buzzing around. We have not been able to kill the flies. So we're going to take your back piece and you're going to glue onto the circle of these two bottom pieces and line the circles up and glue them together. Then you're going to glue in the middle of the circle again and line this one up at the top, line the circles up, and glue it together. And then you're going to glue on the back. So you're going to glue that onto the back of the circle. Then you're going to take these two large pieces, glue on the back, And then you're going to glue behind the petal to make sure it stays up. Then you're going to take your centerpiece, glue on the back, and there's your orchid.